Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to install a plugin for making the posting content easier for our website. So the plugin name is Shortcode Ultimate. Okay, so this is the plugin which we are going to install on our WordPress, and it will give us some extra features when we will post content. So I'm going to install it. Yep, install now. Okay. Okay, and now let's just activate the plugin. Alright, now there is a new tab here, Shortcode, and if you go to setting, there is not much that we can do in settings. So I would not recommend you to change anything in the setting tab. Yeah, if you want to check out how this plugin works, you can watch this video here, and yep, there is nothing. So let's go to our post and click all post, and I will show you how to use this plugin. Okay. Let me write a title here. Alright, now there is a new tab here. It's a new button here, Insert Shortcode, and if you click this, you can see that there are so many shortcuts. Like if you want to create a tab, all you need to do is just click this tabs here, and it will ask you the style. Now there is a default style, the active tab. If I put 1 here, it means that the first tab will be active. Vertical, no, class, and the content. Now let's just insert the code. Okay, first let me show you the preview of what is this. Alright, so this is the tab. This is the title one, the content one, title 2, content 2, title 3, and content 3. Now all you need to do is, if you want to put some content here, like I want to remove this title one and want to write here about us, specifications, and images. Okay, and after that, in the content one, I would like to write some red, blue, yellow, black. In the content 2, okay, now let's check preview. Now you can see that the tab 1, 2, 3 are changed as about us, specification, and images, and we can put our content here. Okay, so this is a good Shortcode Ultimate plugin which will help us to organize our content properly, and we can use so many things. There are so many shortcuts. Okay. We will actually use all the codes when we will post some content on it. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.